to do a full face of makeup that my followers hate. Honestly, no brand was safe here. I put up a question box on my Instagram story and asked you guys, and this was the result. Okay, this one shocked me because this is my favorite lip balm. There were multiple answers saying the Summer Fridays lip balm. But that's the thing with makeup, just because something works for me may not work for you guys, and that's okay. But I'm using shade Vanilla Beige, the Road Glazing Milk. A lot of you guys said that it smells weird. Honestly, I hadn't paid attention to that until now, and I kind of see what you're saying. Super Goop Glow Screen. I do prefer the unseen screen for my skin type. I just get a little bit too shiny for this one, so kind of get it if you are oily. Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. I feel like you either love or hate this product. It's like the same situation for me. My skin is just a little bit too shiny for this product. I've seen a lot of people that have drier skin really love this product. I think it depends on your skin type. This one shocked me because this is such a loved product. There was a lot of people that just said they just didn't like it, that they couldn't make it work. It was too heavy. It's been a minute since I've used this, and I feel like the shade might be a little bit dark for me. We have another Charlotte Tilbury product. Okay, the contour one. I actually like this product. It's just been a long time since I've used it. I actually like the formula of this. I think it blends out really nicely. It's very beginner friendly. I can see that if you're looking for something that's super pigmented, it's probably not this product because it is a little bit more on the sheer side. Chanel bronzer made the list. I'm gonna take a guess and say that people just want more pigment out of it. I personally like this bronzer just because I like a softer bronzer. Glossier Boy Brow. I usually use the clear one, but I wanted to try the shade dark brown. I will say I feel like the clear one that I usually use, it doesn't give me like maximum hold. That's sometimes like what I'm looking for, because sometimes I just don't want, you know, like my eyebrows to be super glued, if you will. Dior Glow Blush Stick. Kind of feel this is the same as the Chanel product. Definitely more of a sheer formula. I do love this blush for an everyday makeup look. I think it's really pretty. Somebody who said they didn't like this also said they just didn't like the shade range. Hourglass Concealer. Now this is another one where you either love it or you absolutely hate it. For me, I feel like I just have to use a little bit of this. I do like it. People just said it's really drying for them because they have dry under eyes. So again, I think it really just depends on your skin type. This one actually surprised me, the One Size Setting Powder. I feel like I only hear praise about this powder, so I was really surprised that a lot of you guys don't like this. Somebody did say that they wore this on their wedding day and it was not waterproof at all. This one broke my heart. The Dior Highlight. You guys know this is like one of my favorite products. I didn't really get an explanation for it, but I'm really curious. If you hate this product, why do you hate it so much? Shocked to see a lot of Fenty Beauty slander, so I'm gonna go in with her mascara. A lot of the comments just said anything Fenty. I personally love Fenty, so that really had my jaw on the floor. Next, we have the Refi lip liners. Somebody said that these break really easily, which I could see that because it is such a precise applicator. I really like the shade range on these. This is shade Suede. Lastly, we have the Rhode Lip Peptide. A lot of chatter on this one. As you can see, I really like it. It's like almost gone. I really like the shades of these, and I think they're really hydrating. I've had this one for a while and it hasn't gone grainy. Okay guys, here is the final look. Tell me in the comments, do you agree with this?